Everybody, hello English learner. I'm Shobha Devre and you're watching me on my YouTube channel English Forest. In today's video, I want to talk about listening skill. How to develop and how to improve our listening skill. Because as you know that for the learning English, the listening is most important part. Yes, it helps you a lot for the learning English. Okay, so start with my journey. When I decided to learn English, that time I had a very strong desire. Anyhow, I wanted to learn English. That time, one more thing was there. I had a mindset for the learning English. I have to put efforts. If you want to do anything, for that you have to put your efforts. You have to pay something. Okay, good things takes time, so keep patient. That kind of mindset I had, and when I feel nervous, when I get pessimist, that time I motivate myself. Yes friends, I always like to motivate myself. If you motivate yourself, so nobody can defeat you. Yes friends, that time also I used to do that. When I feel nervous, so I motivate myself. Okay, in the beginning I used to watch English movies with the subtitle, and which things I could not understand. That time I decided I would learn something which I have interest. I follow the Sadhguruji. So that time I started watching Sadhguruji's video. Okay, I used to watch Sadhguruji's video in the English language. That videos helps me a lot. At the same time, I used to repeat that sentence. I uh, use that sentences, their vocabulary, and it's automatically memorized. And this exercise helps me a lot for the improving my English. And one more thing was there. I used to watch some motivational videos, some short stories, stories of kids, पंचतंत्र की कहानियाँ. Because in these videos they use very simple English, that is easily you can understand, and you feel energetic. Yes, I'm understanding this video. And yes, English, it's English is not that much big thing. I will learn it. Okay, so it's happened. So I used to watch that kind of video, motivational videos, English movies. um, uh, that time I had a one more thing. I had a favorite channel, Travel Explore channel. In the I like to watch Travel Explore channel. Still I watch. And that time also I used to watch that Travel Explore channel. And I have interest to watch this channel, so that's why I eagerly observe whatever stuff was in this video. I easily observe, and the same time I like to use that. And this all exercise, this all listening process helps me a lot. And I observed, day by day I improved. And still I'm learning. I'm not saying I'm a perfect, still journey is going on. But yeah, I improved. So that all thing was helpful for me. I hope it can be helpful for you. I wanted to share my little journey of listening, share with you, which I आपके लिए हेल्पफुल हो. तो गाइस, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कीजिएगा, वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा और फ्रेंड्स के साथ में शेयर कीजिएगा. सो जय हिंद, जय भारत.